Hi everyone, I am coming on to show you how I clean my little sponge dabber tool. This tool here does come with replacement heads, but if you would like to clean this out and use it more than once, why not? You might have seen me use the sponge dabber when I created this design right here. And so now we're going to clean it, and it has LV Made gel in it. So what I do is I just have a little dapping dish of isopropyl alcohol, and I am dipping my little dabber tool in there, and I am just tapping it out onto a paper towel. You just keep dipping it in isopropyl alcohol and squishing it out on a paper towel. You should empty out this isopropyl alcohol here and add more so that you can really clean it out well. Squeeze it out. That looks pretty clean. And that's how you clean gel out of this little dabber tool. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!